Old Celtic Farmer here. December the 2nd, 2020. I'm waiting on a truck. And that truck is going to be bringing us a lot of great deals. Stay tuned. Okay, another fantastic order from Azure Standard, A-Z-U-R-E, Standard, S-T-A-N-D-A-R-D. They are a bulk company, and a lot of the homesteaders and preppers buy from them. Got a 25-pound bag of rolled oats. We got a 25-pound bag of sprouted wheat berries. 25-pound bag of organic hard white wheat. And I got a 5-pound bag of 9-grain mix. 5-pound bag of organic corn. And a couple of things that I'm going to try that I couldn't resist, because the amount of things that Azure has is better than popcorn sorghum, avocado oil, and sea salt. And they got the organic ghee butter sorghum. It would definitely be worth for you guys to check out what they have. The way it works is you go and you order it, and then according to where you live, they will have a drop-off shipment somewhere close to where you live. For us, it's about 5 miles away from us here in Northwest Florida, and we order it. They tell us when they're going to bring it, and then we meet up with like-minded people that are homesteaders and farmers and old school bread makers and everything else. You definitely ought to give them a try. Y'all have a blessed day.